Hi, I'm Phil Constantine, and this is Travels with Phil. This time we're doing something a little different. I'm going to show you how a hammer plus some physics equals something, well, I think is pretty amazing. A hammer, physics, and amazing. So let's take a look. Long time ago in a galaxy far away, I used to do construction work. And like every other construction worker, I had a tool belt. And one of the items in my tool belt, that almost everybody has, is a hammer. Now this is your regular claw hammer. And like every other kind of tool out there, it's got all kinds of names. The claw is the pointy things you see on the end. The face is the part you hit the nails with, and the handle is what you hold on to. And there's a picture of it, the face, the claw, the handle, and the COVID weight gain, unfortunately. So what I'm going to show you is if you flip it once, it makes the ends swap sides. If you flip it twice, they wind up staying on the same side. Now what exactly do I mean by that? Okay, let me show you. Here I am out in my backyard, and you can hear the noise out there, so that's why I'm narrating this. If you just turn it end over end, it obviously stays on the same side. But if you actually flip it in the air and let the physics take effect from the different weights at the end of the handle, the side that it was pointing when you started is going to be different than the side that you ended on. So here we are out in the field again. This is looking at the hammer. It's just a regular old hammer. It's kind you could buy at any old hardware store. Mine's actually got paint on it, and one of the claw ends on it is a little bent from trying to pull some nails that didn't really want to bend. But this is it, just your basic flexible or fiberglass hammer. So, all right, I'm going to flip it one time, and what I'm doing is I have the claw ends pointed toward you. And so that we're going to show you which way it winds up. So flipping it in the air, catching it, and now look, the claw ends are pointing away from me just by flipping it one time. You know, almost thought it's something to do with mobius. You never know. All right, so now I'm going to flip it twice. So I start off again with the claw ends pointed towards you. So let me flip it in the air, and oh well, old Butterfingers Phil here, too much time at COVID, not practicing stuff. So let's try it again here. We're going to start again with it pointing towards you with the two flips. The claw's pointing toward you. Flip it twice in the air, 2 complete rotations, and the claw end is pointing towards you. So again, twice, if you flip it in the air and then catch it, and that means 2 complete rotations in the air, the parts wind up facing the way they were originally. So again, start again with 1 flip, the claw pointing toward you. Now it's pointing toward the trees there in the background, pointing away from you. And doing it one more time here, the 2 sides flip in the air, and they are pointing the same way that they started out on. A strange little bit of physics and a hammer. I thought this was amazing, and as you can tell, I had a lot of free time on my hands when I was doing construction. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please feel free to make comments below as long as the language is family friendly. And if you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the circle with my picture in it in the lower right-hand corner of the video. The arrow is pointing at it now. And once you have subscribed, you can be notified of when I have a new video posted by clicking on the bell icon in the description field below the video. Thanks again for watching.